Hello friends, welcome back to Bosle Mac Tutorials. In our last video, we seen some general customizations and how to select shortcut keys for different workbenches and commands. In this video, I am going to show some general settings and display settings and parameters and units. So without wasting time, let us move towards the topic. And if you not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please watch up to the end. In this window, here you get tools option. Here go for options. In this we will get a general settings. In general settings we get data save. Here there are three options. No automatic backup. If we select this option, we have to back up every 5 to 10 minutes. Manually we have to back up. That's why we have to go for automatic backup for every 10 minutes. Okay. Now go for here PCS. Here is a undo stock size. Means if you are doing some operations, means how many times we do undo, or we can go back like this. This is stock size. Whatever we want you can put it. So I am putting 99. You can put 9, 10 on your wish. Okay. And now let us move for display option. Here this is a tree appearance. Tree appearance means this is a classic window style. Classic window style means like this. Like this you will get. This is a classic window style. And in that you want to choose means constructive, historic means you can go for this structure, relational. You can select this and you can view how it shows like that. In tree manipulation, this is the important. Tree zoom after clicking on any branch. This is very important. If you want to active means you can, or you can inactive it. It's your wish. Now I will show how it works means. If it is active conditions means, okay, I will show how it works means. If I am selecting on this branch, see here. Now the sketch becomes inactive. Now only zoom in out. It's only for this tree, not for sketch. It will works. It will helps when means if you are doing design. If you want to pause your work for some time, means you can just click on this tree and you can leave your workplace. Then no one will manipulate your design. After that, just one click on this and you can get an active sketch. In this way, this option will help. So it's your wish if you want to keep it active or inactive. Like that. In performance, here 3D accuracy and 2D accuracy. You can see in 2D accuracy, I fixed 0.10. Now I will increase it to 0.2. I will show the differences. What will happen? If I increase a 0.2, see here, as I go on zooming, you can see a lines in this circle. If I reduces to 0.1, see here, now I will reduces to 0.1. Then, okay, see here, now you will get somewhat circle. Still if you want to reduce means you will get complete circle, but there is a lot of RAM consumption. If I select 0.01, see here, we are getting a complete circle, but there is a lot of RAM consumption. So that I recommend go for 0.1. If you have more RAM system means you can go for 0.01 also, then it will be more accurate sketches you will get. That's it. Now let us see, and 3D accuracy 0.02 is enough. In visualization, here in visualization you will get a background color and the color of edges, selected edges and faces, etc. This is all about colors. Which color you want, you can fix it. After that, okay, now let us move towards the parameters and measurements. Here in knowledge you will get parameters tree view with values and with formula. If these both are active means, let us see how you will get the tree. See here in axis system we are getting a values. See here, origin x is at 0 mm and y is at 0 mm, z is at 0 mm. Like this you will get the values. If it is inactive means, if I inactive these means, see here, this value will not get. It's your wish. If you want values you can go for these options, otherwise you can leave it. Now let us see units. It's a very important part. See here, length is in mm. If you want to change means, come here, you can get centimeter, meter, kilometer, inches, foot. Which unit you want you can select and go for OK. That's it. Like that, angle, time, mass, density, this much parameters you will have. Which one you want to change unit means, you can just select on that, and based on that you change the units. And after that, parameter tolerance. This parameter tolerance, no need to worry about this. If you are working some industry means, that industry will fix one tolerance. On that basis you have to design a product like this. And parameter tolerance is your measurement tools. And here constraints. Here constraint means, let us see here, result constraints. If we are designing some sketches or any products means, if it is a completely constraint figure means, we will get a green color. It is over constraint means you will get this purple color. If it is a invalid geometry means, you will get this color. Okay, now go for OK. And now let us see, this is all about these general settings, and there is a mechanical design. In that also, this is assembly design. In assembly design workbench, if we have to update regularly, there is a manually update option is there, and automatically. If you go for automatic means, if any constraints we apply, then it automatically updates. I think manual update is the best option, so that we can update which we want, that only we can update. For update, there is a Control U is the shortcut key for update. In CATIA, Control U is the manual update. It is a shortcut key. I repeat, Control U is the shortcut key for update. Like that, in this is a sketcher. Here you can change the grid and all. Here sketcher settings are there. And now let us see some. Here shape design is there. Here also you can change your settings, which according to your convenience you can change. Let us see generative shape. Here also general settings are there. Here tolerance modeling, merging distance. Okay, it is a 0.01 or 0.001. Okay, no need to worry about this also. This by default it is a 0.001. And here we will get tolerance layout. This is also provided by your manufacturer. Okay, this is all about general settings in CATIA V5. I hope you all are getting these videos. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.